Hi and welcome back to a really warm down the shed. So as you can see, this is just a really quick video, and here is the little Spitfire kit that I made, the 3D wooden model. So as you can see, I've given it a blast with the stain. I think it looks pretty awesome. So it's had a mahogany finish with stain. Not going to name any companies, just a basic wood stain. And I think it looks pretty blinding, and that now lives up on top of the down the shed computer monitor, like so. Let's get a close up. So that was the apples to pears 3D wood model kit of the World War II Spitfire. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the very next video. Tot Lily!